Okay, there's one more small setting you want to adjust for the permalinks on the site. I'll show you what that means. So if we go to the front of our site, we'll see we're at bloggingcourse.us. If I were to go into a post, like we have this Hello World post we'll deal with in a couple episodes here, you'll see it changed the title to bloggingcourse.us/p=1. And that's not really what we want. We want it to be something like /Hello World. A better looking, these are called permalinks up here, better looking permalink. So it's a simple setting here in WordPress. If we go to settings and then permalinks, there's a number of ways to set these up. Now, the key is to change this now. If you publish a bunch of posts and Google sees all the posts and then you change it, it can have some negative repercussions. There's ways to do it, but it gets a little messier. But right now, we haven't published anything. Now's the best time to change it. And the most common way is to change from plain, where it's p=whatever, to post name, where it'll have the name of the post in there. So we're just going to change it to post name. You can see it kind of puts that structuring for you. And there's other ways you could do it, but this is by far the most common. We'll save that. And like most things in WordPress, it's updated instantly. So we go back out to the site and click on Hello World. You'll see now it's bloggingcourse.us/Hello World. So much better look. Affects search engines a little bit, but really just makes it easier for people to see where they are, see what a link is if it doesn't have context around it. It has some nice advantages. There's ways to customize that as well per post or per page. We'll talk about that here shortly, but go in there and update those permalinks just to make sure you have things looking as sharp as you can.